हेलो गाइस, दत्त जतिन श्रीवास्तव। रात के 7:14 हुए हैं और हम I turned into Hindi. So let's start in English. So it's about 7:14 p.m. in the night. So let's get started with today's lecture. That would be the practical aspect of blog and article submission. So here we have the website here. So Design Articles is one of the website that we have listed in the presentation as well. Approach is simple, straightforward. Join their website if you don't have an account. Sign in if you do have an account. Okay, so I have recently made an account on their website for this lecture only. Oh, the web's password. Okay, so password is 12345678. Okay, sure. So here we go. The sign in is under process. Bingo. So yeah, so recently I have made this account, so I do not have any activity over here if you compare it with my Quora account where so much activity is there. So the process is simple and straightforward. Click on write and edit section. You will be directed to their page where you need to give them some information regarding the title of your article, the category where it is going to fall, summary, the body, the keyword, resource box where you basically have taken the information, the author would be here, and the schedule release whether you would like to upload it right away or there would be any schedule release. So this was about the article submission. Okay, quick tips that I would like to give it to you: make it original. Okay, do not copy it from somewhere else. Do not make an article which is available over online platform so many times. Okay, try to make something which is unique in nature. For example, I provide SEO training. Right now I have the content of on-page and off-page SEO which is readily available on every website, and hence I'm not able to rank on the Google search results. So don't do this mistake. Okay, you need to come up with something unique, okay, in order to get a quality backlink. Okay, what you can do here, just troubleshoot or just brainstorm. Sorry, the troubleshoot word is not correct. Just brainstorm your mind, okay, and come up with a idea that yeah, this is the article where I can get in the backlink, a quality backlink. We can get some hits as well. Okay, so this should be the approach. Second one is the blog submission. Here you can see this is my blog, where basically what I used to do, I used to provide a short summary of the content that I have over my website. Here you can see it is under construction. So we have some content here, but if you just read the content, just try to compare the content. Here we have basic of off-page SEO. If you just compare this one with the website content, you will see a major difference here. Okay, because I haven't copied anything from there, but what I done, basically I have hyperlinked them to my own website. Here I have just provided a brief about what I have basically written. So here I have provided to get the comprehensive lecture, click here. To get the video lecture, click here, and back to the content section, click here. Okay, so this is my approach of doing the blog submission. All SEO experts or SEO professionals got their own approach. This is my approach of doing. Okay, so you can follow me as well, or you can follow your idol as well. Okay, so this was about a blog submission. Make it on Blogger, make it on WordPress. You can do the Quora blog submission as well. So whatever suits you the best. So this was about today's lecture. Go ahead, prepare your article, prepare your blog, post it, and earn backlinks. Thank you so much.